The weight-operated dump valve is a product that producers use to control levels in heater-treater vessels. Certain conditions can cause oscillation of the weighted lever, accelerating the progressive wear on the stuffing box seal and allow a leak to occur. In this video, we're going to show you Kimray's solution to this issue. Hi, I'm Mike with Kimray, where we help energy producers solve their biggest control challenges. Kimray's weight-operated dump valve uses equalizing gas directly from the vessel to balance the valve, which gives it the sensitivity to be able to actuate based on the small pressure changes resulting from the rising liquid head. When this equalizing pressure becomes different than the upstream pressure in the valve, it creates an imbalance of forces on the diaphragm. This can cause oscillation of the trim, which is visible from the outside as an oscillating lever arm. This oscillation over time can lead to premature wear on the shaft and seals, leading to leaks at the stuffing box connection. There are a few common causes of the imbalance and oscillation. One is when the equalizing line is shared with another pneumatic device. Another cause is condensate collecting and blocking the line due to a dip or in the drip pot if it's not being drained regularly. A third common cause is an oversized valve. Understanding that these conditions can exist in a heater-treater system, Kimray has designed a new adjustable stuffing box to combat the oscillation and leaks. The new design is made of stainless steel for corrosion resistance and is available in optional 316 stainless steel for enhanced corrosion resistance and NACE compliance. The seal being located between the two supporting bushings provides strength and stability to the shaft, eliminating any potential angular movement. In other designs, the seal is not in between the two bushings, so the weight and dynamic movement of the lever and unavoidable thickness variation of the bushings can allow angular movement of the shaft. And of course, there's the adjustability. By tightening the stuffing box nut, the packing ring is compressed, which tightens the squeeze on the Teflon sleeve, providing a low friction surface to compress and seal around the shaft. If leaks ever do occur, simply tighten the nut until the leak stops. No need to isolate the valve and remove the stuffing box to replace the seal. This new design is currently being assembled into all new 2-inch and 3-inch weight-operated valves. With the release of the new stuffing box design, repair kits will include components needed for repairs on this version and all previous versions, all in one kit. The kit part numbers will remain the same. Additionally, we offer a conversion kit that can be used to replace any existing stuffing boxes, compatible with all previous versions of the weight-operated dump valve. Here's how to replace a previous style stuffing box using the conversion kit. Loosen the set screw and remove the lever hub arm assembly. Remove the stuffing box with a wrench. Remove the shaft and inspect the critical seal area. This is where the new packing Teflon ring will sit. If the surface finish in this area is rough or there are scratches that could allow a leak path, replace the shaft. Slide the Teflon thrust washer onto the long end of the shaft. The thrust washer is important to reduce the friction between the stuffing box and the shoulder of the shaft. Reinstall the shaft with the flat on the end facing down. On the side of the stuffing box with the smaller inner diameter hole, add grease where the O-ring will sit. Add the O-ring to the same side of the stuffing box and add more grease to the outside of the O-ring. Hand start the side of the stuffing box with the O-ring into the bonnet and tighten with a wrench. Add grease to the shaft. Then slide the Teflon ring onto the shaft, followed by the packing ring. Then use the bushing to push them into the stuffing box. Tighten the adjusting nut onto the stuffing box as tight as you can get it with your hand. Then an extra quarter turn with a wrench. Use a wrench to remove the trunnion plug from the other side of the bonnet. Use a pick to remove the Teflon ring and replace it with the new one from the kit. Replace the trunnion plug and fully tighten with a wrench. Put the lever arm back on and tighten the set screw. After the valve is installed and pressurized, the nut should be tightened further, only as much as needed to stop any leaks, plus an additional 1/8 turn. Over-tightening the nut could hold the shaft too tightly and impede proper operation. For questions or ordering information, contact your local Kimray store or authorized distributor.